So come close, let me show you. I often teach a joint distraction and joint distraction. So you see joint distraction and then a dorsal glide. Can you see that joint?
Yeah.
Right, so I'm very loosey-goosey. I have as stiff as a board. Not only is his finger, the whole man is stiff, okay? But his finger is really stiff. So watch this. Relax your whole hand. So someone's got to relax for you so you can actually do the joint mobilization. If they don't relax, then it's a lot extra work. Right? So then what you have to do is you have to hold this and then you have to pull and then you have to push back. On a really stiff hand, my arm and my thumb is working extra. So one thing I like to do is I'll use the whole hand. I'll distract and I'll push, right? I'll use your whole hand, distract and push, right?